To add TeraWallet Plugin, open your admin panel. Go to Plugin and click on Add New. Now search TeraWallet. Click on Install button and then activate it. After activation, you can check TeraWallet option in left menu in admin panel. Click on TeraWallet. It will show all users with their balance in wallet. Click on Action tab. It shows 4 options. We are providing support for new user registration only. To set up, click on Setup. You can add amount here which user get when new registration. You can enable or disable from this setting by click checkbox here. Click on Save Changes after setting. You can check in application by register new user. Wallet balance will be show in account screen. User can use wallet balance while purchase item from your application. Now click on Setting option and go to General. User can manage minimum top-up amount, maximum top-up amount and so on, from here. User also set credit from Credit option tab. To reflect TeraWallet in application, open application. Go to account page and create new user. You can see that when new user got $10 credit which we set from admin panel. To check transaction history, click on My Wallet tab. You can see list of transaction from here. To add money in wallet, click on plus button. You can add here amount whatever you want to credit after, then click on Add button. Your balance will be credited in your wallet after payment successfully done. User also can use wallet balance when purchase item from application.